Hi guys, this is Ian from Pinametric.com, and recently we have covered a Galaxy event which features the Galaxy A80 and A70. Earlier, Samsung releases the Galaxy A80, which completes the lineup of the company's A series of smartphones. The smartphone features the triple rotating camera and the all-screen display. The triple rotating camera system is comprised of a 48MP main sensor, an 8MP 3D camera which supports live focus, and a wide-angle camera that captures 120-degree field of view. Specs-wise, the smartphone comes with a whopping 6.7-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display. It also comes with a 3700 mAh battery which supports super fast charging at 25 watts. The handset is powered by a 2.2 GHz octa-core chipset and 8 GB of RAM. There's a 128 GB of internal memory, and unfortunately it is not expandable. The Galaxy A80 offers a bunch of features like the Super Steady mode, which reduces shaking in videos, and the Scene Optimizer, which recognizes up to 30 scenes and optimizes the photos based on these presets. Other features include the on-display fingerprint sensor and One UI based on Android 9.0 Pie. You can get the Samsung Galaxy A80 in both Angel Gold and Phantom Black, and as of this writing, the price has not been revealed yet. Thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, please hit subscribe or give us a thumbs up, and until then, see you on the next one.